Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tiana's Beignets, just like in the movie. First, combine warm milk with yeast and a pinch of sugar, letting it activate. Then, mix in eggs, sugar, salt, and melted butter. Gradually add flour until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead this dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, ready for the next step. Once your dough is perfectly kneaded, place it in a greased bowl. Allow it to proof in a warm spot for about 2 hours, letting it double in size. After it has risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, it's crucial to chill the dough for at least 4 hours. This makes it much easier to handle and ensures a perfect texture when frying. With your chilled dough, roll it out evenly to a thickness of 1/4 inch. Using a knife or pastry wheel, cut the dough into 2-inch squares or rectangles. Next, heat your vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the dough pieces into the hot oil, frying them for about 1 minute on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. As soon as your beignets are golden, remove them from the oil and place them on paper towels to drain any excess. While they are still warm, generously dust them with a cloud of powdered sugar. The warmth helps the sugar adhere perfectly. Serve these delightful treats immediately to enjoy their light, airy texture and sweet flavor. They're truly magical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.